Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to dub a video from one language to another by using a tool called ElevenLabs. So the first thing that you need to do, you're going to have to log into your ElevenLabs account, and then once you're logged in, come to this section here called Dubbing Studio. Click on that, and there are two tutorial videos that you can watch, one importing YouTube videos, and then the other one is importing just straight into a dubbing studio. So let's just start right away and I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing, you got to click on Create Dub, and then you name your project from English to Swedish. Source, you have to choose the language of the actual video, and my video is in English, so I'm just going to select that. And then target language is where you actually need to specify the targeted language. In this case, I'm going to use Swedish, but you have all of the options here. You've got, so many different languages, as you can see. And then you get to decide whether you want to upload the video from your desktop or upload a YouTube link, TikTok link, or other URL. And then they will basically take the video and then upload it and then dub it for you. In my case, I'm going to use a video that I've already recorded. So I'm going to go to desktop and I'm going to choose this one here. So this is my video. Hello everyone, this video has been recorded in English and my goal is to dub it into Swedish with an AI tool called ElevenLabs. So let's do just that. Perfect. So that's the video that I have. Now down here you get to choose, you have two options, Create Dubbing Studio. This will make your dub adjustable in our editor, in their editor. So basically if you click this one, then you can you'll have the chance to edit the dubbing and make it better if it didn't work out as intended. I often tend to click it just to have that option. And then here, reduce the character usage by 50%. This will add an ElevenLabs watermark on the video, yada yada yada, because we actually don't have this feature. We haven't paid for it, but we're not going to use it for now. Number of speakers, decide. You need to help AI or ElevenLabs understand how many people are in the video. If there is like a conversation between 2 or 3 people, then you need to mark it down. This is just a single person talking and it's me, so I'm just gonna click that. And then time range. So this is you get to decide. So let's say if you have a video that is a minute long or maybe like 2 minutes long and you just want to dub the first 15 seconds, you can decide that here, right? In my case, I want to dub the entire thing, so I'm just going to leave it at the default, which is 12 seconds. And then after that, just click dub. All right, so once it's been dubbed and it's ready, what you can do, you can click on it in order to be able to edit it. Or you can download it directly, but I like to, listen to it and evaluate the whole thing first. As you can see, so the first track tends to be the actual recording, right? So if you want to leave it on, if you want to dub a video and leave the original language on, then you can do that, and it's the first track. The second one is also related to the original language, and then at the bottom here, you can see speaker 1, Swedish. So this is the one that is the dubbed version that we want to, listen to and assess. So in this case, let's just hit play and hear it.
Hej allihopa, den här videon har spelats in på engelska och mitt mål är att dubba den till svenska med ett AI-verktyg som heter ElevenLabs. Så låt oss göra just det.
Okay, so I'm quite happy with the result. It sounds real and it sounds, what do you call it? It sounds exactly the same way that I sound when I speak Swedish. The only thing that I didn't like with this is that when it comes to actually mentioning ElevenLabs, it didn't mention ElevenLabs in the way that I would say it, because I would normally say it because it's an English word, I would pronounce it in English. So it kind of pronounced 11 in sort of like a Swedish way, which I don't like. And if I want to change that, I could actually cut the video and edit it and then on another software and add me saying ElevenLabs. But that's just, small little detail. But when you play around, so if you want to have the background playing of the original sound, then what you can do is just click on that here, and then you will hear both of them.
Hej
Hello
allihopa,
everyone.
den här
This
videon
video
har
has
spelats
been
in på
recorded in
engelska
English and
och
my
But
goal
it's
is
kind of like disturbing because now you've got English and Swedish at the same time. What you can do is lower the volume here so that it doesn't sound too loud. The English part is a little bit down, and then the Swedish volume is higher up, and then that way it might sound
Hej
something like this.
allihopa, den här videon har spelats in på engelska.
So you can hear like the English is slightly in the background. It's up to you how you want to do it based on your preference. You've watched shows where they've dubbed it and they only use one language, and sometimes in interviews they dub the interview in a different language, but you still hear the original conversation that takes place in the original language in the background, but they just lower the volume. So these are some of the things that you can do. And once you're done, for me, I'm just going to completely turn it off. I don't want, I just want it to be the Swedish
Hej
version, nothing
allihopa,
else.
den här videon har spelats in på engelska.
Perfect. And then once you're done, you just click on export, right? And then here you get to choose export in Swedish, MP4. Let's do that. And then we're all set. So that's basically how you do it very quickly. And you're pretty much good to go. So